Hello everybody, and today we will be making a superfood. We will be making beets. So you just want to make sure you clean your beets. Make sure they're nice and clean. And we're going to cut them away from the green leaves, because we're going to use the green leaves as well. Beets are very good. Help you fight inflammation. And it also helps regulate your blood pressure. Let's get started by boiling these beets. You want to boil it in a lot of water. Make sure they cover it up. Beets give you a lot of brain power. They are packed with antioxidants. They are packed with fiber. It keeps you regular, and it helps keep your liver clean and functioning. So we're just going to put that lid on it, cook on medium heat, and let them boil. After 1 hour and 15 minutes, we're going to check and see if they are tender. You want to take a knife and poke it to make sure they are tender. So now you want to just pour some cold water in it and cool them off. You want to take each one and peel all of the peelings off. Just rub them off and everything will come off. It'll be peeled off like this. Beets have a lot of health benefits, packed with a lot of vitamins, a lot of minerals. It can relieve your respiratory problems, prevent cataract, boost your immune system, prevent anemia. Beets are a go. Very, very good. High in a lot of sugar though. So be careful when you eat them, especially if you're a diabetic. So now we're about to slice them and cook them down. Now you want to take your olive oil, a little olive oil, put it in the pan. Let it get a little bit hot on medium heat. And we want to saute 2 garlic cloves. For 30 seconds. Then you want to slice your beets real thin. And saute those. Make it nice and thin and medium. You could use the same pan that you boiled the beets in. Just clean it out. Now I'm going to add ginger, salt, and pepper. Season to taste. That's the kosher salt. A little cafe pepper. Now the ginger give it a real nice taste. Ginger and beets go together with the sweet and the ginger taste. Very good. So I'm going to use some minced ginger. Beets are really good. They're nice and sweet. Beets are a go. A lot of health benefits. You just want to saute for only about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to add our green tops. Don't throw away those green tops. A lot of benefits in the green tops. So we're just going to put those in there. Chop them up nice and fine. Then you want to saute those. And make sure your beets are clean. Because those green tops hold a lot of dirt. So you want to make sure you clean them thoroughly. And the beets. Try yourself some beets. They are good and sweet. Good to go. Saute your green leaves for another 2 minutes. Then you can plate it. Now those look beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you for all your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. And get yourself some beets. Health is wealth, and we must take care of ourselves.